If you're going to build something that lasts, it has to start with you. The foundation for success is you. Not the economy, not the government, not your boss, not your spouse. Just you. Mr. Shoaff told me early on that taking responsibility means giving up all the excuses, giving up blaming others for your situation. Sure, things happen to us all. The weather isn't always fair, the cards aren't always in our favor, but success doesn't ask about your excuses. It just asks one question. What are you going to do about it?